Hi there, my name's Andy McRobbie. I'm the General Manager of Sales in New Zealand. My role is primarily responsible for driving sales and looking after our customer support team. And Buro for me is probably more than a business. It's been a way of life for me with a fantastic group of people since 2006, 2007. So I really love it. I mean, it's the team dynamic that I love the best. Working with people who are both driven, determined, and they're very good at what they do, but they're also good people. So that's what really makes Buro very special for me. I think the values that Buro has are values that I'd like to think that I live certainly on a weekly basis. I turn to them often when we've got challenges and I need help and support and assistance. So I can look at those values and it just aids in my decision making and what we should and what I should be doing as an individual. I think what drives me is the people around me. I'm very much a team player, and I want to do my very best to get the very best out of the people that are around me, and that's a real driver for me to make sure that I can do what I possibly can to get the best out of everybody and myself.